Oh my god!
Why didn't it stop? It didn't stop!
Oh my god!
That's what I'm talking about.
Holy shit! Oh my gosh! We got a couple scars on the elbows. Oh.
Where?
You're good.
My
How does it feel, Lisa?
Feels awesome! It actually doesn't hurt that bad. I'll feel it more later.
Yeah.
I like it's killing me a little bit now though.
You want me to get some napkins?
I think I should be done.
Yeah, I think you should. You got your scar.
Wow.
Why didn't it stop, Hector?
Because you're supposed to hit the front brake.
I did both brakes!